Hi, welcome to Tuesday Live with Ichchhapuron. And তোমরা যদি মেসেজ পেয়ে থাকো, then you know that I said that it's going to be a different live today. And it's true because I'm here. Ma is not all, she's all right. Just একটু অসুবিধা হয়েছে বলে she's not here right now. And she'll be back. She'll be back later today. And so I'm here for the live, which means that I will be holding saris very poorly, but you will still like it. So, what I have for you today is a lot of blouses. And these are blouses that you can get before pujas. Before the pujas begin, we can ship it. Uh, so that is what I'm going to show you. And also these earrings, I have another pair of these earrings for sale. So I really like jhumka style earrings. Let's start. I am going to show you a couple of saris, especially in red and white, because obviously, and I will try to speak in both languages. আমি দুটো ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে কথা বলার চেষ্টা করব, কিন্তু আমি যদি ভুলে যাই তাহলে প্লিজ ফরগিভ মি. So to start off, because Ashtami is almost here, just because Puja is almost here, we have this red and white beautiful piece with a satin border and white 100 count tat, with block print. Look at the design. I absolutely love this block print, and you can see the tater weaving lines and block inside that. Hi, good morning everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now I don't know if I drape it whether it will look nice or not. Ma drape korle bhishoni bhalo lage, but that is my version of draping. And this piece is কত দাম এটা? ট্যাগ কোথায়?
1480. 1480.
This is 1480. And this does not have a blouse piece with it. As you know, আমাদের satin border শাড়িতে blouse piece থাকে না. Next piece হচ্ছে এই তাঁতের ওপর 100 count তাঁতের ওপর এই ব্লকটা, again অষ্টমীতে পরার জন্য ভীষণই ভালো শাড়ি.
1710.
এটার দাম হচ্ছে 1710. The price of this saree is 1710. And this is the achal, and this is the body. Obviously আমি আঁচলটা গায়ে উল্টো ফেলছি. This is how it is. Yes. And the pleats part is like this. কুচির জায়গাটা এরকম. Next, কত দাম বললো? 1710.
17.
This is 1710. I will quickly just pin our number niche. Oh, I have to type it. How is everyone? How are you? Usually I'm behind the camera doing this, so Ma can keep showing you sarees uninterrupted. Yeah, so if you want to place an order for any of the products, you can drop us a message on WhatsApp on 9831453213 or on 99039472213. 453213. Yes. Also, আরেকটা important জিনিস, step back a little, then the sarees will be visible more. I am trying. The thing is, I am handling the phone myself, right? So this is all the space I have. I don't know how I arranged the camera for Ma. So this is another cotton, 100% cotton tat with block print. Now, the best thing about these block prints is that we do them ourselves. এই ডিজাইনগুলো বাইরে পাবে না, কেন এগুলো আমাদের ডিজাইন. and that's the best part. This is the achol. I'm trying to show you the entire sari. This is the border. The price is 1710. Eta damo 1710. Yeah, lovely kolka at the bottom. You can see the kolka at the bottom for the entire sari. That was 1710 and this is a cambric blouse piece. मैम हिंदी में बताओ, 3 लैंग्वेजेस चेंज करना पड़ेगा. हम अभी 100% कॉटन साड़ी दिखा रहे हैं, ब्लॉक प्रिंट वाला. एंड अभी जो साड़ी दिखाया मैंने रेड में, उसका ग्रीन वेरिएशन है. प्राइस 1710. Anandita Purokash, so thank you so much. She says I'm doing a good job. So this is the green version of the same sari that you just saw. 100% cotton, block printed, kolka at the bottom. Hota hai? Haan. Kolka at the bottom and blouse piece. Price is 1710. You can order them on the number below. I had an announcement to make, which is that if you have booked a product, তোমরা যদি কোনো প্রোডাক্ট বুক করে থাকো আর এখনো মানে পেমেন্ট করে দিয়েছো আর আমাদের কাছ থেকে কোনো সাড়া পাওনি, প্লিজ ড্রপ আস আ মেসেজ. আমাদের মেসেজ করো, কেননা অনেকজনের পেমেন্টটা না অন্যদের অ্যাকাউন্ট থেকে ঢোকে. Either your husband, daughter, son, they make the payment. So we can't always find out who made the payment. So please reach out to us so we can get back to you with your product. Erpor, we're showing you a cotton linen. Zari woven linen. 100% cotton and linen to cotton hi hai, ami ki bolchi
না সিল্ক আর কটন মেশানো.
আচ্ছা. This has a little bit of silk mixed in it, which gives it the nice flow. You missed my message. Shikha Mitra is asking whether her blouse has been shipped. Pramita, Shikha Mitraর ব্লাউজ শিপ হয়েছে কিনা একটু চেক করে নাও and get back to them. শিপ হয়ে গেছে? আচ্ছা. আজকে মা আসেনি. Yes, আসেনি. As you can see, otherwise আমি টিউসডে লাইভে থাকি না. So I am loving this green zari woven linen. It has a little bit of silk mixed in it. It has a really soft fall and the price is 3350, which is 3350. And this is the pleats part. This is the pleats area. You get these lines going through the body. And okay, I don't want to take it off because it's so nice. And we have color variations. এটা অনেক কালার ভেরিয়েশন আছে. এটা ভীষণ সফট আর ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে. এই গ্রিনটা স্পেশালি আমার ভীষণ পছন্দ হয়েছে. আমি তো সবসময় শাড়িগুলো গায়ে দিই না, তো আমার গায়ে দিয়ে বেশ ভালোই লাগছে. So if you want to see color variations of that sari, drop us a message on the number pinned below. যদি আগের শাড়িটার মতন কালার ভেরিয়েশন দেখতে চাও, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করো, আমরা ছবি পাঠিয়ে দেব. আমি যেহেতু শাড়ি অতটা দেখাতে পারি না, তাই জন্য আমি একটু কম করে খুলে দেখাচ্ছি, so that I don't mess up all the sarees. This one is another zari woven linen, and you can see there's some resham butas as well, zari and resham mixed. This is the achal. It has stripes, zari stripes, and this is the body. And uchi part to erokomi. And this is how the entire sari is. पूरा साड़ी ऐसे ही जा रहा है Completely woven with resham and zari. Lovely fall to the sari, and the price is 3,350. 3,350.
আচ্ছা আর কি দেখো রংগুলো
হ্যাঁ, we'll show the colors না। আগেরটারও রং মানে
একই দেখো
হ্যাঁ,
দামটা
ও আচ্ছা, এটা আগেরটারই কালার অপশন।
হ্যাঁ
So the green saree that I just showed you, lovely print you're wearing. Is this your please show full view of your outfit. So this I am known for using all the scrap kapda in the boutique. This was left and I made a dress out of it. So it's, you can get this style, but in a different fabric. I'll show it to you. But the green saree that I just showed you, this is a color variation, a lovely rust color. Again, you can see the stripes in the body, and the aanchal has this intricate zari weave. And the price is 3,350. Another color option is this one. Again, 3,350. And this pale, almost pastel green. There's some black woven into it, which gives it a darker tone. Thank you so much for your lovely messages. This is the weave. I really like the tone of this color. And you have these lovely black tassels. 3,350 is the price of this zari woven linen. And last is this color. Almost like a mustard yellow, because there's yellow going in the weft and black in the warp. And lovely. This is the last color option that we have. कम प्राइस में शुरू में दिखाया ना 3,350. आज मेरे लिए जो लाइनअप है मैं वही दिखा सकती हूँ, बिकॉज आई प्रैक्टिस्ड फॉर दिस. So the linen Benarasi दिखे चलेगा. So now we're showing you linen Benarasi, which is this one.
3,400
This is 3,475 in this lovely peach color. You can see the zari woven border on top, zari woven border at the bottom, and then zari woven bootas in the body. This is the aanchal. You can see the big motifs in the aanchal, and very cute tassels. This is how the entire saree goes. It's a digital printed linen with zari bootas on top. জামদানি আছে?
জামদানিটা আছে
আচ্ছা,
দিলেনে না
লিনেন জামদানি, ঢাকা জাম। নেক্সটটা হচ্ছে এটা। জামদানি আছে কিরণ শঙ্কর ঘোষ, তুমি প্লিজ হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দিও, তোমাকে ছবি পাঠিয়ে দেবে, ঠিক আছে? This lovely sea green saree. I don't know, ভিডিওতে একটু ব্লু দেখাচ্ছে। ও ব্লাউজ পিস, আমি ব্লাউজ পিস দেখাইনি। থ্যাংক ইউ। এটা শাড়িটাই দেখানো হয়নি, ব্লাউজ পিস দেখে। Okay, this is the blouse piece for this saree, which is super cute digital print. I would totally endorse having this saree. But look at the border, and then you can get like a nice designed blouse with it. Whether maybe the border is on the side or going at the back. Nice. Otar blouse piece ta ekটু দেখিয়ে দাও না। So sea green saree. Again, lovely tassels, and you can see the Again, it has bigger motifs in the achal, in the zari weave. It's really nice.
3354
3354 is the price. আগেরটা কি দাম বললাম না?
বলেছো
3354.
3354
And you can see the buttas in the body. Can you repeat all the linen colors? I don't think I can. But you can watch the recording. This is the blouse piece of the peach sari. Because I missed it. Sorry. This is another linen Benarasi. You can see that it's such a pale green. And you can see that the green is deeper here, and then in the body it's almost white. And then you have these golden zari buttas, and this is the pleats part, which is again digital printed with the zari butta and the zari border. And this is the achal. The achal has this motif. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying my best. Yes. Price is
3345
3345. This is the blouse piece. It's a very cute geometric printed blouse piece. And this is a three color linen Benarasi. I feel like a unicorn. Lovely. Look at that. Nice color mixing. This is the achal. The achal has a yellow tone to it with the gold zari. Yellow tone and gold zari. And tassels. And then the body has this pink and blue mix. Oh, pink and sea green. And at the bottom there is the yellow that continues. And this is the pleats part, which is the same color continuing. And this is the blouse piece. Bhavna SB says, I have received my parcel full with bag saris and Georgette Kantha work, kurti fabric. Quality is awesome. Thank you so much. দাম কত ছিল আগেরটা? 3345. 3345 is the price of the sarees we're showing you right now. এটার দাম 3345. Look at that. Lovely. There's a green, and then it fades into like a light gray. This is the achal. You can see the gold against the green. That looks really nice. You have your buttas in the body and giant floral prints. It's a very beautiful sari. And this is the entire body. This is how the pleats would go. And the price is 3345. আমি বারবার ভুলে কেন যাচ্ছি, একই তো দাম। And this is the blouse piece. Look how cute it is. The blouse piece also has a zari border. 3345 is the price of this linen Benarasi. If you want to, আমরা কি সবকটাই দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি?
এটা দেখিয়ে দিলাম।
আচ্ছা, আমি ভেবেছিলাম সবকটা দেখাবো না, কয়েকটা খুলে দেখিয়ে দেবো। সবকটাই দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, because you guys are amazing and you deserve the best. This is the achal of this bluish gray sari, linen Benarasi. This is the achal, and this is the body. 3345 is the price. You can see the digital printed flowers and then the zari butta in the body, and this is how the entire sari goes. The flowers are scattered everywhere. I just realized আমি পুরোপুরি ইংলিশে কথা বলতে শুরু করে দিয়েছিলাম। আমি ভুলে গেছি চেষ্টা করছি this is the blouse piece. Jayati Dasgupta, nice to see you in this role, but Didi kothay? Didi is uh, mm, a little not well, but she'll be back today evening. She's just making sure that it's nothing. So we don't want to risk anything around pujas. So we're going for a quick checkup and then she'll be back. She's all right. Don't worry. Um, green and red linen Benarasi. Green and red. We don't have a mix of green and red. We don't. I don't think green and red কিছু আছে এখন। গ্রিন অ্যান্ড গোল্ডে একটা সুন্দর দেখিয়েছিলাম, গ্রিন অ্যান্ড অ্যান্টিক গোল্ডে শুরুর দিকে, সো তুমি রেকর্ডিংটা দেখে নিতে পারো। দিস another peach, this is the darker peach tone, this is the archer, and this is how it falls on the body, this is the border, and you can see the buta here. The flowers, I love these flowers. They almost look like hibiscus. Not sure what they are. Peach are green e ache, lal are green e nei. Sorry. So this is how the saree goes. And this is the blouse piece. Price is 3345. This someone asked for a Sumi asked for a green and red linen Benarasi. Green and red nahi, but we found this pink and green a digital print. It also has some orange in it and some light yellow. Green kotha body te acha. And it has lines of sequins running through it. It has sequins on top, tiny sequins, and this is the archer. I really like this one, and this is priced lower than the other ones. This is the body. Hello? Let's see. And blouse ta kothay gelo? Acha. It and this is the sorry. This is the blouse piece. It's a peach tone blouse piece. Single layer এ বলে বোধহয় রংটা ঠিক করে বোঝা যাচ্ছে না। এই যে দেখো এটা কালারটা ব্লাউজ পিসের, and this is the border.
প্রাইসটা একটু কম আছে।
আর প্রাইসটা একটু দেখে বলো না। এই the price is 2830. 2830. Meenakshi says, you go girl. You're always awesome. Great going, keep it up. We are with you always. Thank you so much, Meenakshi. Your messages mean a lot. Shormishta Di, these earrings, yes, I like them too. There's a shorter version. Boutique to jewelry Porna and Deepanita Di bhishon bhalo banaye. So these are by them, and you can get them. I think they're somewhere around 150 to 300 machkhane the price. Acha. So now we're moving up the price ladder, and more linen Benarasi for you. So look at this, gorgeous complete shine throughout the body. You can see the butas is so intricate.
60620.
And this is the archer and the border. The price is 6200. The entire body has this diamond motif. This is the pleats. Skirt border here, and this is the blouse piece. The price is
6200.
6200 খুলছি না গো
এই কালোটা।
ও না এটা খুলবো I saw yellow I had to open it I was not clear about this but I'll show you some color variations till then this is a pink version of the saree that you just saw. The one that you just saw was in an orangish peach tone. This is pink with ancholta orakomi na. This is the saree 6200. This is a blue version of the linen Benarasi. Blue and green. So you can see that the archal is blue and then it fades to a green. This is, if you want to see photos, let us know, we'll send you photos. I'm not opening everything because I want to show you blouses and I want to take time with it. This is the last saree for today, which is this lovely yellow saree that I totally did not wear it properly. Wait. Yes, lovely yellow saree. This is the achal, completely zari woven, and the body, and this is the blouse piece. এটা ইয়েলোতে বলে আমি লাস্টে খুলে ফেললাম, আমার খোলার কথা ছিল না। And this is how the rest of the saree goes. It's just a huge ball of light. সুদীপ্তা মজুমদার না, এগুলো লিনেন বেনারসি গো। These are linen sarees, not organza. And this is the blouse piece. This is the last saree for today. If you have any requests from behind, I might show those. But now I'm going to show you blouses. Oh, so এই এমব্রয়ডার্ড কুর্তাটা একজন অর্ডার প্লেস করেছিল, যার নামটা আমরা খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না। মেসেজটা is just we're not able to find it, so I'm showing it to you. তুমি যদি অর্ডারটা প্লেস করে থাকো, প্লিজ রিচ আউট টু আস, আমাদের একটু মেসেজ করো যাতে আমরা তোমাকে খুঁজে পাই। তোমার জন্য এটা বানানো হয়ে গেছে, এই যে। ওকে, তুমি যদি এটা অর্ডার করে থাকো, প্লিজ আমাদের জানাও। If you want to see kurtas like that, এটাও আছে। এখন কুর্তি পিসেস as a gift really nice. If you want to get it made, আমাদের থেকে যদি বানাতে চাও তাহলে I will just give me a moment. I'm going to block this person because they're being very inappropriate right now. Thank you. So if you want to get it made, then you'll have to wait till after the pujas, but you can buy these as gifts for sure. এটার দাম হচ্ছে
তোমার 2400
2400 and this is 2600. It has a lot more motifs throughout the body. Yes, we have more pieces like that, but I am going to show you. Gurjeet Kaur, drop us a WhatsApp message. We'll send you photos of the kurta pieces, okay? আরে আমি কুর্তা দেখালে ব্লাউজ কখন দেখাবো?
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
ওটাও দিয়ে দাও, দেখিয়ে দিই। এটার দাম কত? আচ্ছা, এটার দাম লেখা নেই। এটার দাম কত? You can see like lazy daisies and French knots in the embroidery, completely hand embroidered on georgette. এটার দাম হচ্ছে 2600 and last kurta piece I'm showing you. Usually Ma goes through these products much quicker than I do. I'm sure ওপরটা কোথায়? This is the embroidery. I absolutely love it because what is not to love in this? Such nice work. Completely hand embroidered. You can see that on black georgette. There's embroidery for the sleeves. There's there's embroidery for both the sleeves as well. And now I'm moving on to blouses. আমি যে ব্লাউজগুলো যে সাইজে দেখাচ্ছি এখন সেই সাইজে available আছে. These blouses are available only in these size right now. But if you place an order, you can get them after Puja. After Durga Puja. So this is a 36 size. এটার দামটা বলে দাও আমাকে. 1980 is the price. This embroidered georgette with like partial lining at the back. The lining covers this part and then there's no lining, so it makes for a really nice look. So this is in a size 36. অন্যগুলো কোথায় এটা? It's available in other colors as well. The same design is available in red. আমি আজকে তোমাদের জন্য red, black আর white blouse রেখেছি because it's like if you're doing last minute shopping, then these are essentials. I feel like if you want, this is not the same blouse as the one that I just showed. Sorry, this is the ruffle sleeve blouse. Price is 1890. আমি ভাবছিলাম আমি অন্য শাড়িটা দেখাচ্ছি. It also has partial lining and available in a size 44. So just like the white blouse I just showed you, this is one in a deep red, almost maroon color, and the size is 38. This is a 38 size blouse and the price is 1980. 1980 for the embroidered blouse. This is a red version. You can see that red version. The sleeves also do not have lining. Sleeve lining নেই. এটার সাইজ হচ্ছে 42. প্রাইস হচ্ছে 1980. 1980. Okay, this is another embroidered georgette. I think we call it the chiffon georgette blouse. This is the last piece available, and it's available in a size 36. এটার দাম হচ্ছে 1980. Okay, to help you measure with your blouse size, you can measure your bust. That is the size of our blouse. তুমি যদি রুবিয়া ব্লাউজ পরো তাহলে তোমাদের ওয়েস্ট সাইজের হিসেবে ব্লাউজটা বানানো হয়. আমাদের কল করে বললে আমরা তোমার সাইজ বলে দেব, বাট ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু গেজ ইয়োর ওন সাইজ দেন go by the bust size. So if your bust size is 36, then this is the blouse for you because this is a 36 size blouse. Okay, the 1980 single piece, last piece. This is also a last piece. This is a cotton chiffon blouse. ধবধবে সাদা একটা ব্লাউজ চাইলে this is your option. This is in a size 40. Price is 1980. 1980. শুভাশ্রী গাঙ্গুলি চক্রবর্তী, তোমার প্রশ্নটার জবাব দিলাম তো সাইজের ব্যাপারে. अगर आपको हमारा ब्लाउज एज इन आप ब्लाउज खरीदना चाहते हो और आपको साइज समझना है, आप बस्ट मेजरमेंट के हिसाब से हमारा ब्लाउज सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो अगर आपका बस्ट से 40 है तो हमारा 40 साइज का ब्लाउज आपको फिट आएगा. और ऑल आवर ब्लाउजेस हैव दिस एक्सटेंशन. हमारे हर ब्लाउज में ये एक्सटेंशन रहता है जहाँ पे आप यू कैन गो अप टू 2 sizes बिगर देन दिस. आप 2 साइज बड़ा कर सकते हो. सो अगर आपको स्लीव थोड़ा टाइट हो रहा है बट बॉडी ठीक है, आप स्लीव के पास से एक स्टिच खोल दोगे तो फिट आ जाएगा. So this is how we make our ready-made blouses that fit people from all across the world. हमारे ब्लाउजेस इंडिया के बाहर भी जाते हैं तो सब तो आके मेजरमेंट नहीं दे पाते बट फिट हो जाता है. Anything in black color? I'm showing black. This is a 36 in our lace blouse.
2650.
2650 is the price. This lace blouse. अटके गला. There is a blouse in 44. I think I just showed you 44. I don't know. I will get back to it. আরো কয়েকটা ব্লাউজ এনে দাও না, সময় আছে. হ্যাঁ আরো
আচ্ছা
বলছি, একটু বড় সাইজও দেখো. So this is a size 40 lace blouse, 2650. The sleeve also has lace throughout. Anything in maroon? I showed a maroon georgette. 32 ready size available থাকে কি না না আমাদের 34 minimum থাকে, but you can place an order for a 32 blouse. This is our French knot blouse. দেবারতিশা কোন রেডটা, অনেকগুলো রেড দেখিয়েছি. This is our French knot blouse on off white. This is the back embroidery. The sleeves are also embroidered. 2080 na dam.
2080.
Price is 2080. This is our mica mirror blouse in size 38. I will show you big size blouses. So, wait. Very cute. I think if you're planning on an outfit for Diwali, you should place an order for something like this right now so you can get it.
10.
Huh?
2310.
2310 is the price. This one is available in 38. Ruffle sleeve blouse. এটা ছিল তোমার সাইজ ছিল 44. This is how the sleeves look. And তারপর this is our tribal necklace blouse. The price is 1650, size 36. This is our Parsi. This is a hand embroidered blouse. Nice, very cute blouse. Some beautiful photos in this. 42. Sorry, there's someone at the door. This is a size 42. Lovely blouse. Price is 2400. লাল সাদার মধ্যে I am bringing you this design. Lovely. Size is 34. বড় সাইজে নেই না এখন, available নেই, all the sizes are sold. Price? আরে ব্লাউজ একটা তো 1850 is the price. এগুলো কি available আছে? Yes, these are available, that's why I'm showing them to you. 1850 is the price. This one is 36 size. 36 size hole if you want it urgently, it can be increased up to a 40, 36, 38 and 40. And this is another, this is a Parsi embroidered blouse. Parsi na, sorry, Kashmiri embroidered. There is a Parsi embroidered blouse. Sorry, I mean, না দেখে বলতে শুরু করে দিয়েছিলাম. This is the Kashmiri embroidered blouse. The price is 2300. It has embroidery on the sleeves as well. এটা 2400 না? Huh? আচ্ছা. Oh, size is 42. This is a single piece peacock blouse available. You can see the pleats on the neckline, pleats on the sleeve. Size 46. This is the size 46. And the price is what that? Oh, acha. Price is 1480. 1480. I'm showing you some solid colored red blouses. This is in a size 38. Size 38 and the price is 1040. যদি তোমরা বুটিকে আসো, then you can check out the blouses that we have in other sizes as well. But this is what I'm showing you এখন. This is the size 40, 998. A 40 can be extended up to a 44. This is a boat neck solid red blouse. Huh? আমি single piece দেখাচ্ছি. Sizes might not be available right now, but you can place an order. For the solid colored blouses, the material might change because it depends totally on the fabric that's available in the market. 80, এটা size কত? Size দেখে বলো আমাকে. The 34 sized mirror blouse, big mirror blouse. I love mirror blouses because of how amazing they look. Bra আছে pad wala. আমরা মানে প্যাডেড ব্লাউজ হয় আমাদের, কিন্তু এখন যেগুলো অ্যাভেলেবল আছে পুজোর আগে এগুলোই পাওয়া যাবে. So this lovely mirror blouse price is 1795. Size 34. এটা কত size? 42 size mirror blouse, small mirror. Just amazing how it looks. এই ব্লাউজই রেড কালারে হবে. এই ব্লাউজ রেড কালারে হয়. পুজোর আগে কোন সাইজ পাওয়া যাবে আমি তোমাকে জানাচ্ছি, এক মিনিট. This is a 42 size. Price is 2280. You will be the center of attraction if you wear this blouse. Just look at it. I'm just holding it and it's taking all the attention away from me. Yes, there's some mirrors in the sleeve as well. There's a black এর ওপর pink mirror. I'm guessing it at the size 36. Size 36. This is the back. The front. It has sleeve. Size 36. Red we only have one mirror. একটা mirror blouse আছে 38 size এ. কি দাম ছিল এটা? 2280. 2280. এগুলো অনেক আছে. মাল্টি কালার মিরর ব্লাউজ. সাইজেস 38. বেশিও আছে, তার চেয়ে বেশি সাইজও আছে. হ্যাঁ 40 অব্দি এটার সাইজ আছে. মিরর ব্লাউজ I would suggest that if you want it urgently you can get it altered, as in সাইডের স্টিচগুলো খুলে দিলে ফিট হয়ে যাবে. So you will have the blouse for the pujas. আর চুলে সুতো লেগে আছে. Sorry, I will try to get it out. That's not সুতো, that is sequin. লেমন ইয়েলো হবে. লেমন ইয়েলো তে মিরর ব্লাউজ এখন যা সাইজ আছে সেটাই হবে.
আমরা এটার দাম ভুল বলেছিলাম, এটা 1150. আমি তখন এটা বলছি,
এটার দাম ভুল বলেছিলাম, এটা হচ্ছে 1150. এই পিক হবে 36টা 34 এ করতে পারবো কি 36টা 34 হয়ে যাবে হয়ে যাবে হ্যাঁ হয়ে যাবে try to come to the boutique if you want that kind of an altar boutique এ এসো 6টার আগে not between 1 and 3 do not come here between 1 and 3 if you want an alteration like that and between before 6 in the evening and do not come for altars on Saturday and Sunday nothing will be altered on Saturdays and Sunday this is a yellow blouse with mica mirror work
2450.
46 size 2450 2450 red সবাই red চাইছে red এ mirror blouse there's only one piece left which is this one so if you want mirror blouses you can get it after puja the other red options that I showed you were the ones available right now ready this is a white mirror blouse এইটা সাইজ লেখা নেই তাই জন্য নিইনি আমি এটা আমাকে বলো সাইজটা this is a black mirror blouse রেডে মিরর ব্লাউজ চাইলে শুধু একটাই মিরর ব্লাউজ আছে এখন পুজোর আগে পাওয়ার মতন একটাই আছে ও আর তিনটে আছে this is the size 38 এটা একটা সাইজ 40 আমি উল্টো কেন দেখাচ্ছি size 40 this is an 11-inch front and back so এটার দাম বলো 2180 2180 and this is
2280.
11 ইঞ্চের জন্য 8 inch back 11 inch back এর জন্য 2280
হ্যাঁ এটা একটু 21
21 কম আছে 38 40 and this is the last one সাইজ লেখা নেই প্লিজ সাইজ বলো আমাকে এটা আছে 1795 is the price এটার সাইজ হচ্ছে 36 let me remind you আমাদের ব্লাউজের সাইজিং বাস্ট মেজারমেন্টের হিসেবে হয় so if you want any of the blouses you have to give us your bust measurement these are not sized exactly like the rubia blouses so remember that for red blouses we have this one as well তন্দ্রা রয় তুমি যদি বুক করে থাকো প্লিজ হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দাও আই এম হোপিং তুমি অলরেডি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দিয়েছো anyone else if you want to place an order please drop us a WhatsApp message and the numbers pinned below 36 রেডটা বুক করলে আচ্ছা মেসেজ করো প্লিজ আমি চ্যাটে অর্ডার নিচ্ছি না this embroidered জামদানি স্টাইলে embroidered blouse piece this is the back is a back open blouse size হচ্ছে 40 oh I need water এটা যেটা দেখাচ্ছিলাম সেটার সাইজ হচ্ছে 40 আর এটা যেটা দেখাচ্ছিলাম এটারও সাইজ নেই এটাও 40 এটা 42 in black mirror blouse okay I showed you a lot of things message করে দিয়েছি okay thank you I don't know how to show you my outfit but it's this anarkali inspired dress that I made for myself with this fabric পুরোটা কলি দেওয়া যার জন্য it falls this way If you want this style of kurta, then you can reach out to us after Pujo. We're not taking any more custom orders before Pujo. I am going to show you a couple of jewelry pieces before we leave. জামদানি সাইজ 40, এটা কি সাইজ গো? এটা সাইজ কত ছিল? 30 40 সমী দত্ত মিত্র, জামদানিটা সাইজ 40 আছে। if you want to place an order, please WhatsApp করে দাও। Tandra Roy, yes, reach out to us after Pujo. I'm going to show you a few pieces of jewelry before I stop for the day. So we have some really nice pieces. These are two different pieces, by the way. আমি একসাথে রেখেছি। Jewelry is designed by Porna and Lipanita. ওই আলোটা বন্ধ করে দাও, ভীষণ বেশি আলো করছে। These are all semi-precious stones. So, and they don't replicate these pieces all that much. This is an Afghan piece. This is my dress. You can see it properly. And some more jewelry. $48 size এখন ready-made blouse আমাদের কাছে আছে কি 48 সাইজে কিছু রেডিমেড available? I don't think আছে. You can place an order. I really like this piece. It's so cute, and rose quartz goes with so many things. This is a single piece hand painted jewelry for Durga Pujo. And this is the last piece of jewelry. So that was jewelry for the day, and that was actually the live for the day. তোমাদের শপ কোথায়? আমাদের বুটিক হচ্ছে কলকাতায়, আর বুটিক ইজ ইন কলকাতা। তোমরা রুবি হসপিটাল আর অ্যাক্রোপলিস মলের মাঝামাঝি যে জিএসটি ভবন আছে, ওটার উল্টো দিকের রাস্তা দিয়ে ঢুকলে 5th house to your left. Price of jewelry, they all range between 1600 and below. So তোমার যদি কিছু পছন্দ হয়, প্লিজ ড্রপ আস আ মেসেজ। জামদানি 48 হবে না গো, কাস্টম অর্ডার দিলে হয়ে যাবে। তুমি কাস্টম অর্ডার দিলে জামদানি 48 will be made for you. Address of our boutique is GA71 Rajdanga Main Road. It's near GST Bhavan, and you can find us on Google Maps. What else? Yeah, that was today's live. Thank you for joining me. And Shubhra Malik, you're interested in jewelry. I showed you all the pieces that are there. I showed you all the jewelry at the boutique, so watch the recording. You can send us a screenshot of any piece that you like, and we'll let you know the price. They're all 1600 and below, and semi-precious stones, so I think they're pretty good value for money. Golden yellow ikat blouse, 40 size. Golden yellow ikat blouse. Hey, I don't know if we have that. I will ask Ma to respond to the rest of the queries. Thank you so much. Thank you, Devarati Shah. Thank you so much, Devarati auntie actually. Can I WhatsApp you for jewelry? Yes, you can. Drop us a message on the number pinned below, and let us know if you want to book anything. Just reach out to us. It's better if you reach out to the number 99039472113. It has a little less traffic. 9831453213 is Ma's number. She gets like 300 messages in 2 hours. So to get back to you will take time. semi Murshidabad at silk sari price. Priya Tamiz, I don't know. You can WhatsApp us and we'll let you know. আজকে মা আসেনি কেন? মা একটু একটা রেগুলার চেকআপ যেরকম হয় ওরকম করাতে গেছে, জাস্ট টু মেক শিওর দ্যাট এভরিথিং ইজ অল রাইট, উই ডোন্ট ওয়ান্ট টু রিস্ক এনিথিং, অ্যান্ড this is the end of today's live. Thank you so much for joining. Take care. Bye. We'll see you on Thursday.